Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a plus b to the power of 2 equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And the second one, that is about a plus b to the power of 3 equals to a to the power of 3 plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b to the power of 3. So if we apply two formula in here, so this one we change s plus 2 to the power of 3. This one we change s plus 2 to the power of 2. Now we need to simplify, and we have s plus 2. And now I will put negative number 2 gone here, and we have 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.